So this is the wheat straw dinnerware pack. Pretty colors on this. So this serves 8. So that's really nice. Oh, let's see if I can get one open. I don't want to scratch it up. I'm scratching it before I even use it. Let's see. Oh, they feel good. They're a lot thicker than I thought they were going to be. I really thought these were just going to be the thinnest, thinnest things you could find. There we go. Maybe. But yeah, that's a nice feel for them. So I really like these. These are pretty. They're vivid. They're nice. I like that they're 8. Serves 8. Sorry about my video going in and out. Maybe I need more light in here. But yep, that's them.
These are plastic plates I ordered from Amazon. They're microwave safe. You can wash them so they can last a while. Unlike paper plates for one use, you can use this multiple times. This pack comes with, I believe, let me see. Here is 3 white. You have 3 of the beige color. You have 3 of this nice, beautiful charcoal gray color. And then you have 3 of the black. So this is a nice set of 12 plates that you can use. Especially great if you maybe have a family of 3 and you each can get each of the colors. But I like that it's reusable. They're beautiful. Nice design. Sturdy. And like I said, microwave safe.